Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Spotify account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for a new tab and search in for a Spotify.com and press enter. At the official web page of Spotify, you can see login button on top right corner. Click on login. First, you need to get logged into your account by providing registered email address or username and password. So, go for it. Click on log in. At the homepage of Spotify, you can see your profile name on top right corner. Click on it. Now click on account. Scroll to the down. Here you can see options of change password. Click on it. To change your password, first of all you need to provide your current password, so go for it. Now provide a new password for your account. Retype your new password for the confirmation. Click on set new password. Your Spotify password has been updated, that is, your password has been changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Spotify account password. Thank you.